Iniu táid láthair ag seoladh eile an Phobail, fhéile chluaiseach a dhéanann cealarú ar Phobail Iúil agus curthaíoch Feirste. Idir an 3 Seoladh de bhí Iúil agus an 8 Seoladh de bhí Lúnasa, bei imachtaí ag gol raibh fudfad na cathrach agus an idir Feirste ach go háirithe.
Well, we're on for 10 days, kicking off on the 30th of July through to the 8th of August. We have brilliant nights, 5 nights in the Marquee and Bank Square, which is going to be amazing. We have kicking off with Damien Dempsey with West Belfast Grania Holland. We have Everlast over from the States. We have Michelle Shock, one of the best singer-songwriters, unbelievable. We have Neville Staple from the Specials for the Ska night. We have a Palestinian night as well, which we're delighted to hold. The Russian Philharmonic Chamber Orchestra coming over from St. Petersburg as well, and they're going to be in Clonard Monastery, which is just a fantastic setting. We have Lenny Henry and a load of Irish comedians for a comedy night, which is just unbelievable. We have ABC in the finale, we have the Wonder Stuff, Corner Shop, and we have Pete Bog Ferries as well. So a host of great music. We have 13 dramas, 23 exhibitions, tours, walks, lots of literary events. Seamus Heaney, we have Irving Welch coming who wrote Trainspotting, of course, as well. An amazing event in itself, and then we've lots of debates and discussions, and we have Ian Paisley Jr. coming to West Belfast Talks Back, and a load of community events in the carnival parade and all sorts of stuff for young people as well. So it's 124 pages of a programme, packed, and lots of events, and basically we can't wait to kick it off.
Well, tá Féile an Phobail Harvey táhachtach sílam héan go bhfuil sé ar na féilte as far in Europe. Ní amháin an Éireann, but in Europe. Agus a gcónaí ag stormant churann muid ceistena don na hairí éagsúla, cé có táhachtach agus atá an Féile dar leat, ó híomh ach námaíochta, ó híomh na halíne, ó híomh sport agus déasbreacht. Sílam héan go bhfuil sé ar na féilte as far in Europe. Tá mise ag trú le glacu páirteach sa déasbreacht sin West Belfast Talks Back. Bé mé an in éanacht le Ian Paisley, Ian óg an tainematá ar, agus bhí muid na beirt ag ollscoil na réana sa bhliain céarna, agus is cifann lom nuair a bhí muid ag an céilearú graduation go bhfuil muid beirt an, agus ag an foinse sin stad siad an Tyrant Sassenach a immert ag an ócáid sin ar an bhliain sin, agus thug Ian tape recorder héan in Ecoleis, So it's cifann lom sin, but buaillí mé leis ar an data sin fásta.
Dúil go mór leis néile, tá cóirtas a teachsú son dagan agus Hamid chun bíoch an Pauline Scanlon, so she go ní go má dino the counter héine eiscint húsnta.